Okay, solving an equation with brackets. There are two ways of solving this equation. So this one is going to be method 1, and we will also go through method 2. Okay, so my equation is 3 bracket x plus 1 bracket, and that equals 24. So the first thing that happened to x using BEDMAS is inside the bracket, and that is a plus 1. And outside the bracket we have a times 3. Remember, if there's nothing there, it is times. Now, opposite order, opposite sign, divide by 3, take 1. I'm now going to use my coloured pen to divide both sides by 3. I have to divide everything, but the only thing that will cancel out is the times 3 here. And what I'll be left with on the left hand side is just x plus 1, and on the right hand side 24 divided by 3 is 8. You'll notice I do not do a separate equation saying 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Okay, next step on my list. So I've done the first step, and the second step is to take 1 from both sides. So I will do take 1, and the only thing to cancel out will be the plus 1 and take 1 because they are opposites. I'll be left with an x, and 8 take 1 is 7. Okay, so now I can check my answer. So I can use a calculator, 7 where the x is. Apart from that, I'm just writing the equation, which will be 3 times 8, which will be 24. So yes, that means that this missing number x is definitely 7. Okay, so now we're going to go through method 2 for solving an equation with brackets. And this process you may use later if x is on both sides of an equation and you need to cancel out some x's. You will need to expand first. So before I'm doing my building and solving steps, this left hand side, 3 bracket x plus 1 can be written 3x plus 3, and that equals 24. So my building steps is that it's been times by 3 and plus 3, and to solve it I'll need to take 3 and then divide by 3. So take 3 from both sides. My stylus is struggling. I'll be left with 3x equals 21. My next step is to divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals 7. So same answer as the first way, it's just that I expanded the brackets first and then build and solved it.